Okay, we're in GH101, and we're in the part where we're getting started with moving files back and forth to the CS server. And we have FileZilla installed. I'm on my Mac here, or you're on your Windows computer. Either way, you have FileZilla, which is a program that lets you move files between your computer and another. Okay. This should look pretty much the same, whatever kind of operating system you're on. On the top here, we need to put in the server we're connecting to, our username, whatever your username is for the class, the password, if you remember it, and the port, which you want to be 22. 22 is the port for secure. And then I can click on the Quick Connect. Decide what you want to do with passwords. I'm not going to do that. I'll just type it in each time. You'll get a message like this the first time that says the security certificate on the CS server is a self-signed certificate, is what's actually going on there. That's fine. Let us try again. What is my password? Let's fix my password. I'll be right back. Let's see if I got my password fixed. All right. So it says here that I connected on the top when it wasn't working. I was typing the wrong password. I'm now connected. And what we see is on this side over here on the left is showing, it's like the File Explorer or the Finder showing the files on my computer. Over here is showing my files on the CS server. So it has my account there, which is inside of a directory called class up on the server. So there's accounts there for all of the users on the system. If I try to go to somebody else's account, it doesn't work. So I could type in something here, and if I don't have access to it, it doesn't work. All right, so then I'm back in my account, and you can see that's I don't really have anything there right now. But I can go ahead and create a directory here. I'm going to create a directory called HW for homework, and then I can go in there. And so I can create directories. That's great. I can look on my computer over here. I have something in my downloads. Let's see, most recently modified. So here is the homework 1B file that I had over in Word in a previous video. So if I want to put this over from, this is my computer here, I want to put it onto the CS server, I have this directory selected, just drag it over. And that's a pretty small file. I'm on a fast connection right now. It happened. If I tried to drag something larger, so this is one of the videos, 1.6 gigabytes. It should pop up something that says, so it says it's starting the upload. Let's see if I can pop up the right, that already transferred. I'm on a pretty fast internet. I'm in the office here, and the connection's pretty fast. Let's delete that. Delete it. Let me find something. All right, let's try this again. I have about 30 seconds before it actually finishes. So I want to look at, well, there's the queue. That is fast. Okay, sorry, I found what I was looking for. My window was, there's another part of the display that's normally down here. So this is my local computer, the server over there, and then this is what's happening, which nothing is happening right now. I'm going to transfer this again, and we'll see how blazing fast it is. So drag it over there, and you can see anything that still needs to be transferred that I drag it over, but now it's on the way. And so that's going almost at 100 megabytes per second. So that's pretty awesome. And if I wanted to transfer files the other way, if I had files over here, I could transfer them the other way as well. So I can browse through to my local computer over here. I can type the directory. If I know the directory, I can browse over here like this and transfer back and forth. So things to remember, make sure to always put port 22. That's the secure port. The other thing you can do is you can click in the site manager, make a new site. So I'll call this CS, and this is SFTP, secure FTP. Port 22, this is going to be GH101 29, and okay, so then if I want, I don't have to remember this stuff every time, so I can go to my site manager, click here, and then click on connect. So if I was coming in fresh, right, here I am, the stuff's there. I can go to my site manager and click on the one that I want to do. So you could have different account names here if you have multiple accounts in different sites. Okay, and then it's asking for my password. All right, and there are my files. Okay. So if you're in GH101, then that's what I want you to do with your homework 1B. Make a directory. Once you're done with your document, have this file name, hw1b-computer purchase dash whatever your name is, doc or whatever kind of file you're giving me. A PDF is fine as well, or a text file. All right, have fun.